Bitcoin money by and large generally has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a genuinely huge manner in a significant way. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $224.54, or so they essentially fundamentally thought in a fundamentally significant manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, fundamentally really in spite of prevalent thinking amazingly. The very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $262,613,028, or so they basically especially thought. 23 January 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for sort of exceptionally 1 week from now, and for the most part, basically attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially for the most part is all things considered, especially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Essentially is BCH a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is very critical. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the BCH specialized examination, especially let us in every practical sense discuss the reasonably exceptionally current economic situations exhibiting that Bitcoin money by and large has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570, pretty lovely in spite of prevalent thinking in a huge way. The very especially complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $72,835,133,742 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum quite has a strength of 16.33% in a fundamentally exceptionally large manner. Which basically by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%. Which generally especially shows that the sort of fundamentally complete exchanging volume truly in every practical sense remains at $72,835,133,742, or so they sort of for the most part thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, in a kind of huge manner incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin money for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a fundamentally huge manner incredibly. Sold a reasonably exceptionally local coin of Solana especially generally is somewhere near 4.89. And at present exchanging at $81.66, showing that BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a sort of kind of significant way. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical, or so they thought. These occasions generally show that the market sort of generally is going in a truly kind of descending bearing for sort of present moment, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly in a real sense is very huge, which sort of is very critical. As of now, and in every practical sense, general pretty truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very critical, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially for the most part are significant specialized markers used to essentially especially distinguish pretty truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which truly is genuinely critical. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of especially become essentially more lovely really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially certainly is genuinely critical, or so they most certainly thought. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which vendors truly become move actually truly dynamic and in a real sense truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which very shows that Bitcoin money backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part in every practical sense. Distinguish truly sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Following generally in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The especially truly current Bitcoin money cost in a real sense is $224.54. With an exchanging volume of $262,613,028 in the essentially beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which certainly is very huge. As of now, BCH explicitly fundamentally is somewhere near 4.75% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,405,957,295 United States dollars, which basically by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside an essentially everyday time span, explicitly made sense of beneath, or so they in a real sense explicitly thought. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving pretty sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving sort of beautiful normal, SMA, and outstanding moving entirely normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. By and large certainly further appearance how at present, BCH especially generally is somewhere near 4.75% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,405,957,295 United States dollars, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking, which essentially is genuinely critical. While BCH's Williams %R marker in every practical sense, in a real sense is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is somewhat really conceivable at this reach, which by and large generally is genuinely huge, which for the most part is very critical. The in every practical sense, really relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI basically is at 25, which generally explicitly shows that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $224.54 in a truly significant manner. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing how while BCH's Williams %R marker in every practical sense is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span,